midfield to the attack. And I can tell you, Mizak Efrie, Steven Amankuna, and then Jonah Tupe are going to give out their best of performance. Jonah joined them in the second transfer window. He's got something under his sleeves. But then for me, Samuel Boyd will be more focused on attacking from the first to the end in the game. So for me, the Berekum Chelsea strength is their attack ahead of the game.
We'll be heading straight into the lineup pretty soon. Both clubs or both players from these two sides have walked onto the pitch. But before we go, Nana, your expectations of the first half?
Well, these are two sides very prolific, and so I expect goals in this game, not to get to the lotteries or penalties. We want to see the attack of Jonah Atupe. We want to see the attack of Steven